Think of your YouTube thumbnails as tiny movie posters. They are the first thing viewers see before deciding to watch your video. A boring, blurry thumbnail? Viewers will scroll right past. An eye-catching, intriguing thumbnail? Now you've got their attention. Your thumbnail is like a shop window display. It needs to be enticing to draw people in. If your thumbnail doesn't grab attention, viewers won't even click to see how great your content is. A strong thumbnail communicates what your video is about. It gives viewers a sneak peek and makes them curious to learn more. That's why putting effort into your thumbnails is crucial for YouTube success. Here's the deal. YouTube wants to show viewers the best videos. But how does it determine which videos are the best? It all starts with understanding viewer behavior and engagement. One way they measure this is by click-through rate, or CTR. CTR is a crucial metric that indicates how often people click on your video after seeing the thumbnail. Your CTR is the percentage of people who click on your video after seeing your thumbnail. A compelling thumbnail can make all the difference. A high CTR tells YouTube that people are interested in your content. This is a strong signal to the algorithm that your video is worth promoting. This can lead to higher rankings in search results and suggested videos. When your video ranks higher, it becomes more visible to a larger audience. More visibility equals more views, and more views can lead to more subscribers, more engagement, and ultimately more success on YouTube. But it's not just about clicks. While CTR is important, it's also crucial to consider the overall quality and relevance of your thumbnails. Thumbnails also play a role in SEO. A well-designed thumbnail can improve your video's SEO by making it more discoverable. YouTube analyzes the text and images in your thumbnails to understand your video's content. This helps the platform categorize your video accurately. This helps them categorize your video and show it to the right audience. When your video is shown to the right audience, it increases the chances of engagement and retention. So, a well-optimized thumbnail not only attracts viewers, but also helps YouTube understand and promote your content better. It's a win-win. By investing time in creating eye-catching and relevant thumbnails, you can significantly boost your video's performance and reach on YouTube. Creating amazing thumbnails just got easier with InVideo AI. This powerful tool uses artificial intelligence to help you design eye-catching thumbnails that get clicks. No design experience? No problem. InVideo AI offers a ton of templates, images, fonts, and effects to choose from. You can easily customize them to match your brand and video style. But here's the real magic. InVideo AI can analyze your video and suggest relevant images, text, and even color schemes for your thumbnail. It's like having a personal design assistant. Section 4. Crafting click-worthy thumbnails with InVideo AI, a step-by-step guide. Ready to make your videos pop on YouTube? Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, and they can make or break your video's success. A compelling thumbnail can draw viewers in and increase your click-through rate significantly. Here's how to create stunning thumbnails with InVideo AI, a powerful tool designed to simplify the process and give you professional results. First, sign up for InVideo AI. It's free to start. Just head over to their website and create an account. The registration process is quick and easy, and you'll be up and running in no time. Next, choose a template or start from scratch. InVideo AI offers a wide range of templates tailored for different types of content, whether it's vlogs, tutorials, or gaming videos. InVideo AI offers a variety of templates to get you started. These templates are professionally designed and fully customizable, so you can tweak them to fit your unique style and brand. Then, upload your own images or choose from InVideo AI's extensive library. Whether you have specific images in mind or need some inspiration, InVideo AI has you covered with a vast selection of high-quality visuals. Find the perfect visuals for your thumbnail. Take your time to browse through the options and select images that best represent your video's content and theme. Add text, graphics, and effects to make your thumbnail stand out with eye-catching elements. Use bold fonts and vibrant colors to grab attention, and don't be afraid to experiment with different effects to see what works best. Customize colors and fonts to match your brand and style. Consistency is key, so make sure your thumbnails align with your overall branding to create a cohesive look across your channel. Finally, preview and download your thumbnail. Take a moment to review your design and make any final adjustments. Ensure that everything looks perfect and that the thumbnail is clear and engaging. Make sure it's pixel perfect before you upload it to YouTube. A high-resolution, well-designed thumbnail can make a significant difference in attracting viewers to your content. See? Creating amazing thumbnails doesn't have to be complicated. With InVideo AI, you have all the tools you need to design thumbnails that will captivate your audience and boost your video's performance. Happy designing! Section 5. Thumbnail Design Secrets. Grab attention and drive clicks. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, and they play a crucial role in whether someone decides to click on your video or not. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate. Now that you know how to use InVideo AI, let's dive deeper into the art of creating compelling thumbnails. Let's talk about some design best practices. High resolution is key. High-quality images make your thumbnails look professional and appealing. Always opt for the highest resolution available to ensure your thumbnails are crisp and clear. Blurry thumbnails are a big no-no. They can make your content look unprofessional and unappealing. Use bright, contrasting colors to make your thumbnails pop. Colors that stand out can grab attention even in a crowded feed. This makes your thumbnail stand out from the crowd. Add faces and emotions. Thumbnails with human faces tend to get more clicks because people are naturally drawn to other people. Emotions can convey the tone of your video and intrigue viewers. People are naturally drawn to faces, especially those showing emotions. A smiling face can create a positive impression, while a surprised face can spark curiosity. So try to include them in your thumbnails. Faces can make your content feel more relatable and engaging. Keep text short and sweet. Overloading your thumbnail with text can be overwhelming and hard to read. Use a few words to clearly communicate what your video is about. Make sure the text is legible and stands out against the background. Stay consistent with your branding. Consistency helps in building a recognizable brand identity. Use your brand colors, fonts, and style to create a cohesive look for your channel. This not only makes your thumbnails look professional, but also helps viewers instantly recognize your content. Remember, your thumbnail is your first impression. Make it count. A well-crafted thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer clicking on your video or scrolling past it. Invest time in designing thumbnails that truly represent your content and entice viewers to click. Section 6. SEO Boosting Strategies for your thumbnails. We've covered design, but what about SEO? Here's how to optimize your thumbnails for search. Use relevant keywords in your thumbnail's file name. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about. Add alt text to your thumbnail. Describe your thumbnail in detail for screen readers and search engines. Use a consistent style across your channel. This makes your videos easily recognizable in search results. Test different thumbnails and track your results. See which thumbnails perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly. By optimizing your thumbnails for SEO, you'll make it easier for people to find your videos on YouTube. Section 7. Level up your YouTube game with InVideo AI. Creating amazing YouTube thumbnails doesn't have to be a chore. With InVideo AI, you have all the tools you need to design eye-catching thumbnails that attract viewers and boost your SEO. Remember, your thumbnail is your video's first impression. Make it count. Sign up for InVideo AI today and start creating thumbnails that get results.